Guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Trisha. For the returnees, thank you for being consistent, and for those who have not yet subscribed, please go hit the subscription button and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload. So today I'm going to do a mini vlog of me cleaning my room. Since I ran out of content, I thought that if I do a mini vlog of cleaning my room, it would be nice. So I decided to do a mini vlog of me cleaning my room, and if you'll enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below of what you think and all the videos you would want to see me do on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your papa, your auntie, your mama, your friends, everyone. So let us get into the video. that is all for the video. That is how my room went. Yeah, and if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload. And don't forget to share it with your papa, your auntie, your mama, your best friends, your boyfriends, all of them. So yeah, see you in my next video, and don't forget to comment down below of what you think of this video and all the videos you would want to see me do on my channel. Bye.